Hey Pre-Calc, Mr. Rashid here, and today we're looking at evaluating inverse trig relations. The good news is we've already seen inverse trig relations in the chapter on law of cosines and law of sines. At some point we had to figure out what the angles were, and we used the second function for second sine or second cosine to get the angle for a particular triangle we were trying to solve there. So that's what we're going to cover here. Now, normally, if you get some random decimal value, I'm going to expect you to use the calculator to figure out what the angle is if we're doing inverse trig relations. But in this chapter, or in this section here, what we're doing is just the few ones that we recognize for exact values. We're learning a skill where we're able to take those ratios and just by hand figure out what the angles are. Okay, so let's take a look. So we have this equation here. It says tan theta is equal to the square root of 3. Now, if we were asked to solve this, what we're doing is we're just looking for the angle. So we're looking for the angle. And another way to write this is we can take an inverse tan relation of both sides here and write something like this. Theta is equal to tan inverse of the square root of 3. So what we did was we took the inverse tangent of both sides and we ended up with this expression. Now this is very similar to the first one there. And we can also write theta is equal to arc tan square root of 3.